Today we're changing the engine oil, a new oil filter, and swapping out the leg oil on the Yamaha outboard. You'll need an oil pan, hose, funnel, filter, oil, socket with an extension of 14mm I think it is, and a filter turner. Throw a sheet down and grab a handful of rag. Set yourself up and undo the drain plug. Once the oil is drained and slowed down to a dribble, you can start replacing the filter. Have a rag handy to clean off any of the excess oil. Little finger dip in the old oil, wipe it on the O-ring of the new filter to lube it up. No tools needed, hand tight's tight enough. Once the sump's fully empty, the drain plug can go back in. You'll sometimes find the oil capacity sticker on top of the engine. This 150 holds about 4.5 litres with the oil filter. Fill, check and repeat until the oil reaches the high mark on the dipstick. To reset your maintenance light, turn the key to on. Press and hold mode for 4 seconds. Press set once, and then press both of them for 4 seconds. And we're good to go. I like having a seat on this one. You need the oil, a Tom thumb pump, flathead screwdriver, and an oil pan. In this sequence, undo the bottom bolt first. Leaving the top bolt in doesn't allow the leg to vent so the oil won't come rushing out. Once everything's in place, continue undoing the top bolt, emptying the leg right out. Screw the pump into the bottom hole and pump away. Once the oil starts coming out of the fill point, replace the top bolt and start undoing the pump. Throw the bottom bolt back in. I've got a little service board to fill out to keep track of everything. And we're good.